It would seem appropriate at this point to talk about something you might refer to as the no-win scenario. Given this whole set of related elements, some of which actually end up defining what you consider to be the problem, and a portion of that which you have influence over, which is somewhat smaller than the area of concern, and believing that this whole area of concern is what needs to be addressed if the situation that you consider a problem actually is going to be dealt with. Being that this is your area of influence, it's beyond your individual capacity to actually deal with this situation. So what one needs to do is to identify stakeholders who can be collaborators to address the other aspects of this area of concern so that you can actually address all of the relevant interactions that are causing the situation to be the way it is. The difficulty is that there are times when those individuals, groups, or organizations who are responsible for other aspects of this set of interactions don't perceive that there's a problem or actually like the way things are. So that you find yourself in a predicament where you believe that there is a problem that you simply can't address because it's beyond your area of influence, and the other individuals, groups, or organizations are not interested in collaborating, participating, figuring out a better answer for tomorrow, so that you're essentially faced with what one would call a no-win scenario. In that particular situation, it's appropriate to figure out what the real motivations and concerns are of those that should be collaborators. And there's always leverage someplace. I mean, take the example of the production facility that was polluting the river that they were dumping stuff into, and had no interest in cleaning it up whatsoever because it would in fact cost them money, until someone actually started publicizing the extent to which they were polluting, and they were more concerned about the cries from the public in terms of what they were doing than what it would cost them to clean it up. So they cleaned it up. So there is in fact leverage to be found. Sometimes it's easier to find, and sometimes it's not so easy to find, though you first have to believe that it's there, and then you have to investigate what it is that are the major concerns or interests, the motivations of those groups that should be collaborators, stakeholders, and employ the leverage. And yes, it's manipulation, though how else do we get things done? So just a note on when you run into a situation that appears to be a no-win scenario. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.